Namaste. This is Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. This is my session number 6. Today is my topic, steps of repertorization. Steps of repertorization, case taking, recording and interpretation, defining the problem, classification and evaluation of the symptom, erecting totality, selection of repertory and repertorization proper, analysis of result, repertorial result, and last is prescription, dose, potency, and repetition. Repertorization is not only a mechanical process of counting rubrics and the totaling marks obtained by a medicine, it is also include the logical steps to reach the repertory proper and final differentiating the remedies with the help of materia medica. Repertory follows the logic of induction and deduction. The steps to repertorization start from the case taking and end by the finding out the simillimum. First is case taking. This is the first step. With the help of case taking, we can collect the information of the patient, start from the personal data, and we can take all the case as per the our case taking format. For a perfect case taking, expressions at all levels, mental level, physical level, general level, and the particular level are required to individualize the person as well as to diagnose the condition. Second, recording and interpretation. Record all the history of patient as a person and interpret it. Third, defining the problem. It means to define the individual patient who is facing a problem, include the diagnosis of the case, disease, predisposition, disposition, diathesis, etc. Analysis of case and the symptoms means separating the symptoms by analysis and categorize and classify the symptoms, and because with the help of analysis of symptom we can select a particular repertory. Evaluation of the symptoms, it means as per the importance of symptom, grading or the ranking the different symptom in the order of priority which are to be matched with the drug symptom. After analysis, physician has to determine the value of each symptom. Erecting a totality of symptom, with the help of analysis and evaluation, we can create a totality of the symptom. Totality means first we can take the symptom which is more important. Synthesis means making whole out of the part. Case synthesis is defined as the process of the rearranging the information of obtained from the case taking to form comprehensive and conceptual image, because the conceptual image of the case match with the drug picture. Selection of repertory, after creating the totality we can select the repertory on the basis of the symptoms. If we have the mental symptoms or the physical symptoms or the particular symptoms, so we can select the repertory that based on the general. For example, CANT repertory. If we have the symptom with completed with the location, sensation, modalities, and concomitant, so we can select the PTPP, Boning-Hassan Therapeutic Pocketbook. If we have the pathological general, so we can select the repertory BBCR, Boger, Boning-Hassan Characteristic Repertory by CM Boger. Repertorization of the case. After selecting the repertory, we can convert the each and every symptom of the totality into the rubric with the help of repertory. In the repertory, rubric hunting is necessary. With the help of rubric hunting, we can create a totality. टोटलिटी मीन्स जो आप रेपर्टरी से रूब्रिक कलेक्ट करते हैं और उसको आप एक टोटलिटी बनाते हैं, दैट इज रेपर्टोरियल टोटलिटी. रेपर्टोरियल टोटलिटी जब आपकी कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो उसके बाद ही आप मेडिसिन का सिलेक्शन करते हैं. कैसे सिलेक्शन करेंगे? जब आपकी रिपर्टोरियल टोटलिटी कंप्लीट हो जाएगी तो जो सबसे ज्यादा ग्रेड वाले मेडिसिन है जिनने सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स कवर किए हैं वो आपके सामने प्रेजेंट होंगे अलोंग विद द टोटलिटी. So after taking the case, we can create a totality, and after creating a totality, we can create a repertorial totality, and with the help of repertorial totality, a group of close running medicines are note down. ये जो close running remedies का जो group होता है उसमें से ही हमें कुछ मेडिसिन का सिलेक्शन करना होता है. अगर हमारे पास 10 मेडिसिन आ रही हैं तो 10 में से जरूरी नहीं है जो फर्स्ट नंबर पे है दैट इज द फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द रेमेडी. हम क्या करेंगे उस 10 मेडिसिन में से हम कुछ मेडिसिन और सिलेक्ट करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फिजिकल जनरल और द एग्रावेशन एम्लियोरेशन जो मोडालिटीज होती है या कोई पर्टिकुलर की नोट सिम्टम है उसके बेस पे, और फिर उसके बाद हम उसको मैच करेंगे पेशेंट के जो कॉन्सेप्चुअल इमेज है जो टोटलिटी है उससे मैच करने के बाद हम फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेडिसिन करते हैं. फॉर फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेडिसिन वी नीड मटेरिया मेडिका रेफरेंस. जितने भी मटेरिया मेडिका के बुक्स हैं जो भी आप प्रेफर करना चाहते हैं वो आप प्रेफर कर सकते हैं फॉर द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेडिसिन. देन द लास्ट स्टेप इज द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. After analysis of the result, we can select a particular single similar medicines, and ये जो single similar medicine है इसको हमें उसका जो डोज है उसका जो पोटेंसी है और उसका रिपीटेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन हम डिसाइड करते हैं और फिर उसके बाद हम उसको प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो द स्टेप्स ऑफ रिपर्टराइजेशन आर कंप्लीटेड. माय रेफरेंस बुक्स आर देयर. शशिकांत तिवारी, Principle and Practice of Repertorization and Homeopathica website. These are the my reference books and my topic is completed. Steps of Repertorization. Thank you to all. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied. If any problem, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly.